Hello Year 3, and it's ready for time for your whole class reading. And today's lesson we're going to be looking at the vocabulary from new words in a text, and we're looking from chapters 36 to 39, of which you have already read. So you should have spotted these in your reading as we've gone along. So do you know what these words mean? Write a brief definition for each word and use a dictionary if you need it. So let's have a look. We have the word pinnacle, entrancing, hoisted, commotion, escorted, monument, vermicious, and procession. And in some of the quizzes you did last week, these words, we were asked what these words might mean. So you might remember a few of them. Now, if you have difficulty finding or using a dictionary, we do have the definitions underneath so that you can have a look. Now, if you're using these definitions, rather than writing them out, it might be a really good idea just to put these words into a sentence, and that will prove that I know you know, and then I'll know that you know what they mean. Okay, so pinnacle is a noun, and it means the most successful point or the culmination or even the edge of a cliff, like the pinnacle of a cliff. So how could you use that one in a sentence? Have a really big think. Entrancing, an adjective, capable of attracting and holding interest, being very charming. That's an interesting one, isn't it? Adjective. What could be entrancing? Hoisted, a verb, to raise something by a means of ropes and pulleys. What was hoisted in James and the Giant Peach? I wonder if you can remember. Commotion, noun, a state of confused and noisy disturbance. Oh, that reminds me of something, Pathfinders. A state of confused and noisy disturbance. How could you use commotion in a sentence? Escorted, a verb, to accompany someone somewhere as an escort, to be their partner, their friend as you go somewhere with them. Monument, noun, so a thing, a statue, a building, or another structure erected to commemorate a notable person. Can you think of a monument locally to us? Or maybe some of you have visited London and seen some monuments. Can you put that into a sentence? Now, vermicious, I'm not sure you'll find this one in the dictionary, and you'll probably be able to tell me why. And it's because it's one of the words that was invented by Roald Dahl for his creatures. So because it describes something, it is an adjective. And I have put to describe a make-believe creature. Okay, because it was the vermicious cnids, wasn't it, that we not only found in James and the Giant Peach, but they're described more accurately in Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. Procession, a noun, a number of people or vehicles moving forward in an orderly fashion. Those of you that might have caught the inauguration of the new president of the United States may have seen the procession of vehicles as they entered the building for the ceremony. Okay, there is a quiz here for you to do. Don't forget to have a look and get that done. So the quiz is there if you wish to, or if you don't wish to do the quiz, then you can write out the definitions and put them into a sentence for me. Remember, the quiz comes straight back to Miss Heal and myself. So that means that we know that you're doing the work, and it's an easy way of us being able to tick our box and say, yeah, we've got work back from that person. And it's also very, very quick. So it might be worth just having a go at the quiz at the end instead. Okay, right, lovely to teach you today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you soon.